So hello everyone, so this is the revisions again. So this project is an interactive web animation called Neural Love Protocol Overload, built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this design looks futuristic computer system with neon colors and cyberpunk interface. So the goal is to present love as if this program running inside a machine. So this is created with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it starts. First, at the beginning, the user enters the name and clicks the button labeled executive lab.exe. This is the button. So this makes it feel like we're running system command instead of expressing emotions directly. So the animated heart, in the background there's a heart made from small moving particles drawn on canvas. So this is the actual canvas, the whole thing. So this heart is created using a mathematical equation, not an image. So since it's animated, so it's not an image. So the particles pulse slightly like a heartbeat and connect with glowing lines, giving the feeling of emotional energy inside a digital system. So the terminal simulations after clicking the button, for example, if you enter the name, then execute the button. So we will be clicking this execute love.exe button. So the interface switch to a terminal style output lines spec of text appear like a computer is analyzing heart data and detecting emotional levels. Eventually, this shows an error saying that there is too much love for the selected person, treating emotion like a technical overload. So at the end of the system is the terminal fades away, the heart particles stop pulsing and explode toward, and the screen flashes like a system crash. So the final message will be um, the word I love you with the name of your inputted text.